How can you solve subtraction word problems and complete the subtraction sentence?
Good morning! Look at all of the beautiful flowers out here. And, they smell so sweet. So, how many flowers do you see? Let's count and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 beautiful flowers. Was your guess correct? Hey, click the flower and we'll sort them by color. Okay, there are 9 flowers in all. 6 are yellow. The rest are pink. So how many flowers are pink? Let's figure out how to solve this problem. I think pictures and a subtraction sentence will help. Ready? Let's get started.
There are 5 bees. 3 bees fly away. How many bees are left? You know there are 5 bees to start with. Click to see how many bees there are. 5. There are 5 bees. Now click to cross out the bees that fly away. 3 bees fly away. You need to find how many bees are left. So this is a subtraction problem. You can use the minus symbol to show subtraction. 5 minus 3. Let's count to find out how many bees are left. 1, 2. 2 bees are left. The number left is called the difference. We can use the is equal to symbol to show 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Now our subtraction sentence is complete. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 5 is the number of bees you started with. 3 is the number of bees that flew away. And 2 is the number of bees that are left. There are 10 ants. 9 ants walk away. How many ants are left? Complete the subtraction sentence to find how many ants are left. Count the number of ants there are to start with, then select your answer. You're right. There are 10 ants to start with. How many ants walk away? Select the answer. Good job! 9 ants walk away. Click to cross out the ants that walk away. To find the number of ants that are left, you need to subtract. How many ants are left? That's right. There's 1 ant left. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1.